morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K custom hybrid crate 17-inch. And as you can tell, the marked area has already been marked out for the damaged area. See if you can tell. Nah, it's kind of hard to tell anyways. So, let's give a little sound test before we fix the cymbal up. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K custom hybrid crate 17-inch. And as you can tell, the crack has been cut out of the cymbal. No longer any damage whatsoever. So, let's give this cymbal a sound test.